What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is just a quick update on Bitcoin, and what I'm looking at now. Is this an inverse head and shoulders, or will it pop above that? We talked about it yesterday, but we're going to get into it a little bit deeper today, and I'm going to let you guys know where I think it's headed if we break past the inverse head and shoulders measured move. So definitely stick around for the whole video. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, leave your comments below. If you are interested in trading, I have my links down below, both my sponsors, PrimeXBT and BITUNIX. I have a new sponsor coming. I'll let you guys know who that is next week. We'll also have some huge benefits for joining with them, and no VPN, no KYC. So definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be letting you guys know who that is next week. Awesome exchange. And anyways, let's take a look at what's going on. So on the daily chart, here we are. The 0.786 is what we've been talking about that 120,800, 120,900, looking for a rejection there. Either way, I think we at least get a small rejection there, so it might be a good place to put in a short. Not financial advice, but if we do break above that, where will we be headed? Obviously, that will invalidate this whole move, in my opinion, but as of right now, this is still valid unless we break this high, right? We have to break the high, not just the 0.786, but I'm going to also let you know where we're going if we break that high, in my opinion. So here it is on the 4-hour. As you can see, let's see right here. Let me make sure these lines are set up right. So the Fibonacci retracement, there we are with that 120,830 range. If that does break, which it's looking like we may break it, then we look at this falling channel here that I drew in. Could we draw this a little bit different? We could. No, because as you guys know, I like to go alternate touches, top, bottom, top. We broke the top. If that's the case, your measured move of that channel is about 130, 328, which would be a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So keep a close eye on this. These are your numbers to watch, guys. Make sure if we get a rejection here at the 120,800, I think we will get a rejection. Now, will it be the actual reversal? Only time will tell. We are showing hidden bearish divergence, which is a higher high in the price action, lower high in the price action, sorry, and higher high in the RSI. But we'll see how that closes, because that can change if we break this high first. So keep an eye on that, guys. Be careful, be cautious. Free Discord down below. Also follow me on X, and I'll catch you in the next one.